Don't you ever crave something familiar, but a little special? This was actually my first time making it from scratch. This dish was recommended by my Korean friend Jiyeon. I gave it a try and honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if her husband falls in love with her over again every time she makes it. Japchae dates back to the 19th century when served to a king. Today it's a staple at Korean celebrations. It's colorful, rich, and meant to be shared. Let's get started. Boil Korean glass noodles. Rinse under cold water and season with soy sauce, sesame oil, and sugar. This step locks in flavor early. Marinate beef with soy sauce, garlic, sesame oil, sugar, and pepper. Then cook until done. Soak dried wood ear mushrooms until soft, then slice thinly. Sauté onion, carrot, mushrooms, wood ear mushrooms, bell pepper, and garlic slices one by one. Cooking each vegetable separately keeps the texture clean. Mix noodles, beef, and vegetables gently, adjust seasoning, and finish with sesame seeds. Tossing gently keeps the dish glossy and light. The texture is everything. Chewy, soft, crisp. All in one bite. And the balance is just right. Sometimes, the food we make says more than words ever could. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.